Alright, so I found a little branch. I'm going to test these two. I'm going to cut it into two pieces and repurpose that wood for a batoning video with the Neotech blade. Stay tuned.
Go ahead.
So here we're going to use the Ozark Trail from Walmart. Cut one piece off, and we'll chop off the other one. That's the Ozark Trail. Now we're going to try FISKARS. This is the Walmart brand. This is the Home Depot brand. Okay, you just press the button, lock it into place. Go. This one's a lot smoother, blade's a lot longer, but they both work. Budget friendly, $20. This came in a multi-pack with a tarp and a bungee cord. Are they worth it for survival? In my opinion, yes they are. Welcome to PLS, protect, live, and survive. Stay safe.